Even if it looks clean, the inside can be a mess. Not a scratch and absolutely mint. But powder keeps falling out. Phillips screw here. 6 Y-shaped screws, Y-shaped. Remove the screws and it comes right off. Whoa. Behind the battery compartment, it's wet. By the power switch, battery leakage.
Savvy tail.
Connected to the LCD panel, flexible flat cable. Lifted up. 2 screws. The start button has poor contact. At the conductive rubber, leakage crystals are sitting on it. Since it's close to the leakage marks, the surface is corroded. The coating is peeled here. This is the speaker. Inside this CPU, 32-bit for advance, 8-bit for Game Boy. Both systems are built in. This is the work RAM. For an overhaul, the must-replace parts are for electrolytic capacitors. And the switch of contact is poor. The switch surface is clean now. What's this stuff falling out? It seeped through a through hole and dissolved the coating. It's starting to peel. Reciprocating sander. It strips it right off. Flux. Blue stuff is coming out of here. There's blue stuff on it. Magic potion. The switch. If it got inside, it causes poor contact. Blue stuff on the terminals too. Inside the switch. Gen Z tears. Ultrasonic cleaner. Nice and clean. A contact came out of the switch. There's still blue stuff left. Easy to lose. Dental scaler. Contact cleaner. Desoldering braid. Close it up. It beeps when there's continuity. The other side, no continuity, switch off. No continuity on the other side, the switch is working. Ijuan light. Please cure.
Catch coach.
Magic potion, rust inhibitor. Graphite, 6B pencil. It conducts electricity, helps prevent poor contact, also works as a temporary fix, blowing off the dust. Keep the power off. Batteries. Anything still left inside. Switch on. Its lifespan has been extended.